Welcome! If you manage large-scale marketing campaigns, coordinate across multiple teams, or require the highest level of data security and compliance, the QRStuff Enterprise Plan is built for you. We will now explore the essential features that provide this power: bulk creation, batch history, team management, and API integration offered under the Enterprise Plan. Let's start with bulk operations. Managing thousands of unique QR codes individually is impossible. That's why the Enterprise Plan gives you the power of batch processing. A major time saver is the ability to process several data types within a single batch file. Select all the required data types and then click to download our sample Excel file to understand the supported structure and format. Next, complete your data file and ensure it is saved in the accepted .xlsx format. Remember, the sheet name inside your file must be exactly the same as the data type name. For example, a sheet named URL or vCard. Next, upload your completed Excel file, ensuring the tabs within your document match the correct data types you selected. Click Next. Name your batch and select the relevant project for organization. Your file will then be rapidly validated for errors or inconsistencies. If validation is successful, processing commences. This typically takes between 1 to 4 minutes depending on the batch size and current server load. Upon completion, an email will be sent to your account's address. This email contains the secure download link for a zip archive, which holds all the individual high-resolution QR code images from your batch. This powerful batch system is fully managed within your batch history dashboard, which brings us to our next feature. Beyond creating new codes in bulk, the Enterprise Plan offers a powerful tool for maintaining your deployed QR assets, Bulk Update for existing codes. Navigate to the All QR Codes tab on your dashboard. Use the checkboxes next to the code ID to select the specific QR codes you wish to modify. Once selected, click the Export Selected QR Codes button. An Excel file containing the current data for your chosen codes will download to your computer. Open the downloaded file. Locate the content column and input the new data for each code. The critical rule here is do not change the code ID number. This is the unique identifier the system uses to match and update your existing QR code. Go back to the batch history page and click the Bulk Update button. In the window that appears, select your newly edited Excel file and click Submit. The system will automatically take you to the batch history page to monitor the process as your updates are applied. If errors appear, click Export Report to get a file showing only the failed rows and the exact reason for the error. You can then fix the data in your file and easily re-upload those specific codes to finalize the update process. Team and user management allows you to easily invite and manage all team members under a single enterprise account, ensuring everyone is working from the same secure platform. To add a new team member, navigate directly to the Team section on your dashboard and click the Invite New Users button. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to enter the user's email address and assign their role, either owner or member. You must also select which projects they will have immediate access to. Click Send Invite. The invitation will appear under the Pending Invites tab until the user accepts it. Once accepted, they move to the Active Users tab on the same page. The user's role dictates their permissions. A member has restricted access, primarily seeing the Overview and Projects section. In contrast, an owner has full administrative access to all features across the platform. Under our Enterprise Plan, you also get a powerful REST API for seamless generation, management, analytics, and batch processing of dynamic QR codes. To begin, navigate to the API Keys section within your dashboard. Once on the page, look at the top right corner. You will see two important buttons: Create and View API Docs. Click the Create button to generate a new API key and give it a descriptive name for easy identification later. Click the Create button and copy your newly generated key. You can also see and adjust the expiry date here. In the API Keys section, you can see all your generated keys. From this list, you have the option to regenerate a key if you suspect compromise or delete an old key that is no longer needed. And these were all the powerful, exclusive features you get under our Enterprise Plan, designed to scale your business and automate your workflows. Need to know more? Contact us today.